Today we're going to do one of my fall specials, which is pumpkin pie. We're going to put a little twist on it this year, and we're going to smoke the pumpkin, and then we're going to finish the pie itself in the grill. So this is a good opportunity to look at using two pieces of equipment. We're going to use the AmeriQue to smoke the pumpkin, and then we'll use a pellet grill to actually bake the pie. So we're going to start very simple recipe. We're going to start with the pumpkin, which we're going to cut in half, and then we're going to place this in the AmeriQue at 250 degrees for 2 hours. We're going to use about 2 ounces of hickory wood. Alright, we've got our pumpkins out of the AmeriQue now. We're going to go ahead and just scrape out the seeds out of them. And you can take and put these seeds in the oven and roast them and make great little snacks. Once we get the seeds out, then we're going to go ahead and cut it into some pieces. And what we need to do now is to peel the skin off the pumpkin. So we're just basically going to come in here and just take the skin off. Once we get the pumpkin all peeled, now we're going to just take and put it in a food processor and just puree it. And we need about 2 cups of pumpkin meat per pie that we're going to do. Once we get it pureed, and we're just going to take and put it in a bowl, we're going to put this into the refrigerator and let it cool overnight. And then we will build our pies in the morning. So we'll let this just set for the evening. We let our pumpkin rest overnight now in the refrigerator. So we're going to now mix up our pie. So we're going to take our dry ingredients first, and we've got 3/4 of a cup of sugar. We've got about a teaspoon of salt, and we've got about a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And we're just going to mix that up. We're going to add to that then a couple of whipped eggs. And then 1 can of evaporated milk. And then we're going to put in 2 cups of our smoked pumpkin meat. Got the pumpkin mix all mixed up now, and we'll just spoon that into our pie crust. We're now going to bake this in the pellet grill. So we've got the PG 1000 set at 425 degrees. And we'll bake it for about 15 minutes at 425, and then we'll turn the temperature down to 350 and continue to bake it for about another hour. We just took the pie out of the PG 1000. We cooked it for just at 50 minutes at 350 degrees. And you see here it turned out really nice, beautiful brown color, and we got a little whipped cream on it. And we're ready to eat pumpkin pie. If you'd like more information about Cookshack, give us a call at 1-800-423-0698 or visit us on the web at cookshack.com.